Leases, like all important legal documents, should be reviewed by an experienced attorney. Our team has reviewed hundreds of leases over decades. We have dealt with just about every size lease, mostly focused on retail franchise leases in most franchise systems. We understand the dynamics of the franchisor, franchisee, and landlord relationship and really how to navigate that water to make the best deal for our clients. The advantage we have of doing so many leases month in and month out is we really know what is the industry standard, what are people looking for, what is a reasonable accommodation for a landlord. And if things are difficult or there are tough clauses, we're going to explain that to you, why the landlord wants it, and what it's going to mean for your business, and allow you to make that business decision. We're here not to kill deals, but to really enhance your understanding of the deal so you know exactly what you're doing. You're hiring an attorney to look at the fine print. The franchisor, the broker, and you as a business person are going to be looking at the rent and the term and the location and whether it's a good fit for your business. That's not what our role is. Our role is not to really advise you on the business terms. It's to advise you on the legal terms. There's so many things, from the assignability. If you want to sell that business down the road, how do you get out? How do you exit that business? You have the common area maintenance charges. What's included, what's not included. We have a list of exclusions that we like to negotiate in there. We're not going to get all of them, but we're going to ask the right questions. We're going to fight for the right clauses. Many times we've dealt with these same landlords and these same landlords' attorneys before, so we know what's important to the business owner and how we're going to get that. We never charge for an initial conversation. We welcome to talk to you about your project, about your LOI. We're very approachable. We also do flat fees for the reasons that we don't want you, especially if this is the first time you've ever signed a commercial retail lease, we don't want you thinking about something, worrying about something, and thinking, I don't want to call my attorney because I don't want the clock to turn on. We never treat you like that. You're really a client that we value, and the majority of our clients come to us through referrals from franchisors and from franchisees and former clients. And that only happens because of how important we take this process and how important the retail lease is to do that legal review. We look forward to talking to you about your needs. Please give us a call. We never charge for our initial conversation. We want to understand what the project is, give you our thoughts, explain to you what our process is, what the fees are going to be, so there's no surprises, and we set that conversation off and our relationship off on the right foot. So we look forward to talking to you about your commercial retail lease.